Welcome to Team Rocket Garage. We are looking at a quick unboxing of an Aeromotive fuel pump. It's a 340 and capable of using E85. So this should be enough fuel pump for our town car, at least until we get to our Godzilla and add some turbo stuff, but that is years down the road. Let's get to it. So it says, first off, stop, do not return to your retailer, contact Aeromotive. Moving on. We have our little fuel sock, basically the little thing that goes around the fuel pump. We have an Aeromotive installation instruction. Sorry, cats are going crazy. We've got our little fuel sock here that just filters the fuel before it comes out of the tank. And then comes with a couple little clamps right here. We've got our little pickup tube, so we get a new one of those. We have a plug right here, which allows us to plug into the Aeromotive actual plug right here, so we can just switch out the Aeromotive really quick without changing any actual wires or cutting or soldering. And then here is the actual pump itself. Now, this is a 340 capable of 340 liters per hour. In order to sell such a high quality product, they flow test them with mineral oil. So we've got a wet inside of here, and yeah, we've also got our little strainer right in there just to make sure that nothing else is getting pulled in here. This is a very heavy unit. It's very, very thick. Honestly, this feels itself like, I don't know if I would say lead, but this feels dramatically heavier than if this was a solid block of aluminum this size. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and comment below what you think, or if you're using this or a Walbro.